Hey, Nikki here, and I'm answering questions about ClassDojo today. The question is, how do I archive a class? As I look at my classes in ClassDojo, I find that even though I've made myself this year's class, I want to make sure that I archive last year's class. And archiving means I'm not throwing it away. I'm just putting it aside, getting it off the desktop, and I can refer to it again if I want to go back in and look at maybe skills that I used last year or weights that I might have used. So it's always good to be able to go back in and take a look. To archive a class, all you do is you go to the gear and then you click and get a menu of things that you can do. I would like to finish the class. So I'm going to click finish class, and then I have two options. I can choose to archive the class, or I can choose to graduate the class. I wouldn't select graduate class unless I was teaching 6th grade, and in that case, we're not going to be using those students anymore. In the rest of our cases, we're going to use the archive class. So make sure archive class is selected, and then click done. Are you sure? I'm absolutely sure. So I'm going to click archive class, and now my class has been archived. It doesn't mean it's been thrown away though. All of my information, my data, still remains with that archive class. I can click back to Lutsky and get it back if I want to. So all of the things that made this class great, including the skills that I used, are still there and are still easily accessible. Again, getting it off my desktop is easy, archiving's quick. Click that gearbox, finish class, archive the class, and you're finished. Hope this helps.